Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. There's something about traditional sweets that modern desserts just can't touch. Making Khaja Puri always feels like a celebration. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of maida, all-purpose flour. In another pan, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add the warm ghee in the dry flour and mix all the ingredients together well. Add in the orange food color. Start adding water little by little and knead the dough well until dough looks like this. Cover the dough with a cling wrap or cotton cloth and let it rest for 4 hours. After 4 hours you can see this beautiful dough with nice and bright color. Now it's time for frying. Heat oil in a pan. Divide the dough in small little balls so that it's easy to roll. Start rolling the small dough balls in 2 thin sheets. Cut the rolled dough in thin long sheets. Fold the ends of the strip like this. This is looking absolutely delicious. In a pan, add 100 ml of water. Now add 50 grams of sugar, so that syrup is not too thick nor too thin. Cook until all the sugar melts. Once oil is hot, add in the rolled pastry. This is how Khaja Puri pastry looks after frying. It's time to dip up the Khaja Puri in syrup for that sweet flavor and nice shiny glaze. Look at that glaze and shine. You can finish them with some pistachios and strands of kesar. If this sweet brought back memories, hit that subscribe button for more traditional recipes. See you in the next video.